Learn and grow your mind. Agriculture. Primary School Living Examination 10. We should follow the following steps for great results. Roman figure number 1. Read the questions and their answers frequently with space repetition reading technique. 1. Name any two branches of agriculture. Agronomy. Animal husbandry. The diagram below shows a garden tool. Use it to answer question 2. 2. A. Name the tool. Wheelbarrow. B. State one use of the tool. Used to carry farm materials or tools from one place to another. 3. Name any two constituents of soil. Inorganic matter. Organic matter. Use the information below to answer question 4. Cattle in the motherlands of Botswana are affected by a certain disease. They show signs and symptoms such as wounds around the mouth and between the hooves. 4. A. Name the disease affecting these cattle. Foot and mouth disease. B. Give one way in which the government of the motherlands of Botswana can help to prevent the disease. Vaccinate the cattle. 5. State any two ways of preventing internal parasites. Regular deworming of animals. Providing clean feed and water. 6. State any two advantages of biotechnology. Improves crop resistance to pests and diseases. Increases food production. 7. State any two examples of inorganic fertilizers. Calcium ammonium nitrate. In brackets can. Superphosphate. 4. A. Name the disease affecting these cattle. Foot and mouth disease. B. Give one way in which the government of the motherlands of Botswana can help to prevent the disease. Vaccination of cattle. 5. State any two ways of preventing internal parasites. Regular deworming of animals. Providing clean water and feed. 6. State any two advantages of biotechnology. Increases crop and livestock productivity. Helps in disease resistance. 7. State any two examples of inorganic fertilizers. Calcium ammonium nitrate. In brackets can. Superphosphate. The diagram below shows a farming implement. Use it to answer question A. 8. A. Name the implement. Disc harrow. B. State one use of the implement. Used for breaking up and smoothing the soil after plowing. 9. State any two benefits of consuming maize. Provides energy due to high carbohydrate content. Contains dietary fiber which aids digestion. 10. Give any two examples of broiler chicken breeds. Cornish. Plymouth Rock. Section B in brackets 40 marks. Answer all questions. The diagram below shows the effects of soil erosion. Use it to answer question 11. 11. A. State one sign of soil erosion shown in the diagram. Formation of gullies. B. Suggest two ways in which the effects of soil erosion shown in the diagram can be controlled. Planting cover crops or grass to hold the soil. Constructing terraces or contour plowing to reduce runoff. C. Explain the agent of soil erosion that caused the destruction shown in the diagram. Water is the agent of soil erosion, as it flows over the land surface causing the soil to be washed away, forming deep gullies and destroying the soil structure. The diagram below shows a management activity carried out in vegetable production. Use it to answer question 12. 12. A. Name the management activity shown in the diagram. Use of shade netting in brackets or shading. B. State two reasons for carrying out the management activity. To protect the plants from excessive sunlight. To reduce water loss through evaporation. C. State two other management activities carried out in vegetable production. Irrigation. Weeding. The diagram below shows a soil profile. Use it to answer question 13. Name the soil layers marked Q and S. Q. Subsoil. S. Bedrock. B. Which soil layer is important to arable farmers? P in brackets topsoil. C. Give two reasons for your answer in B. It contains nutrients needed for plant growth. It holds moisture necessary for seed germination and root development. The diagram below shows an example of a management activity carried out in cattle production. Use it to answer question 14. 14. A. Name the management activity shown in the diagram. Dipping. B. State any two other examples of the management activity apart from the one named in A. Spraying. Deworming. C. State any two ways in which the management activity benefits animals. It helps control external parasites like ticks and lice. It improves the overall health and productivity of the animals. The diagram below shows a farmer using a planter in his field. Use it to answer question 15. 15. A. State the method of planting seeds used by the farmer. Mechanized planting using a seed planter. B. State 3 advantages of the method of planting seeds used. Roman figure number 1. It saves time and labor. Roman figure number 2. It ensures even spacing and depth of seeds. Roman figure number 3. It increases efficiency and productivity. C. State 1 way in which the tractor used affects the environment. It releases exhaust gases that contribute to air pollution. Study the weather chart below and use it to answer questions 16a. 16. A. Which day would be suitable for a farmer to spray his crops with a herbicide? Monday. B. Give one reason for your answer in A. Because it is sunny and dry throughout the day, so the herbicide will not be washed off by rain. C. State 2 safety measures that a farmer should consider when spraying his crops on Wednesday. Wear protective clothing such as gloves and a mask. Avoid spraying in strong winds to prevent chemical drift. D. State 1 way in which the use of farm chemicals can affect the environment. They can contaminate water sources and harm aquatic life. The graph below shows the amount of milk produced by 4 cows in a day. Use it to answer question 17a. 17. A. Calculate the total amount of milk produced by the 4 cows in a day. V equals 40 liters, W equals 70 liters, X equals 10 liters, Y equals 50 liters. Total equals 40 plus 70 plus 10 plus 50 equals 170 liters. B. Which type of record is shown by the graph? Milk production record. C. Which management activity should be carried on cow X? Culling. D. Give a reason for your answer in circa. Because cow X produces very little milk, making it uneconomical to keep. The diagram below shows an activity carried out when processing sorghum. Use it to answer questions 18a to circa. 18. A. Name the activity shown. Winnowing. B. State one reason for carrying out the activity. To separate grains from chaff. C. State 2 other activities carried out when processing sorghum. Threshing. Drying. D. State 1 problem faced by field crop farmers. Pest infestation.